I don't know why I'm like looking at this like it's an alien device. This is weird. This seems weird to me. Hey guys, it's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. How's it going? Today we're gathered here to continue the journey of finding my Holy Grail foundation product. So today we're going to be trying the Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation. Mega Cushion Foundation. Literally the only reason why I'm interested in trying this is because Tati says it's good. Sometimes I like a minimal, like not super full coverage moment, you know? You can get this almost anywhere. I'm seeing prices range from $5 to $8, Ulta, Target, Walmart, you know. Trying to open it and I'm ruining my nails. This is great. This is why I hate nail polish. I'm trying to be like cute and minimalistic today without the fake nails, so I just quickly like painted my nails black and it's already ruined. A little bit more about this foundation. SPF 15, that's cool. Don't want to, you know, accidentally get a tan. I have the shade 106A Light Ivory, which is has a neutral undertone. Looks like kids makeup a little bit. I've moisturized like a few hours ago, so I'm not greasy. My skin has like pretty much gone back to normal, and I'm not gonna prime because I just really want to try this foundation out and use it without primer, bitch. Is that a mirror? Oh. Comes with a mirror, that's cool. I'm gonna leave the protective film on it just so it doesn't reflect too much. I guess here we've got the little cushion. I don't know why I'm like looking at this like it's an alien device. I've literally never used any sort of cushion foundation before. Please remove protective film before use and close container tightly. Oh yeah. So there's the cushion. And it comes with this really nice, like, this is almost like micro suede feeling. Little foam thingy. So I feel like I need instructions. I don't want to do this wrong. There are no instructions. So I guess I'm just gonna dip in. Wait, I gotta touch this. Woo! Whoa, a lot comes out. Okay. Tap the cushion to add just the right amount of coverage, or double tap to add more. It's perfectly portable too, with an airtight, no mess compact that makes applying liquid foundation a breeze. Infused with coconut derivative, the luminous, lightweight, and blendable formula helps boost hydration and contains SPF 15 for added skin protection. Allegedly, it's America's #1 new cushion foundation. Okay, guess. This is weird. This seems weird to me. Let's zoom in, y'all. Oh my god, it smells so good. Pretty decent amount of payoff there with just a couple taps. I wonder what it would be like to use this thing for other liquid foundations. Like, why don't we use these? Okay, definitely don't swipe, because if you swipe, you're moving the product around and kind of wiping it off. Patting. You gotta pat this type of thing. Decent amount of coverage. Okay, this thing is like not the funnest thing to use on my nose. Dipping in with the damp beauty sponge now. It's going on nicely with the damp sponge. Gonna get a little bit on this little like kabuki kind of brush here, just so that I'm not wiping away any product. And then stipple it. That worked pretty well. Close that up, and then that goes back in there, and then voila. I'm excited about this because yeah, you can definitely bring this with you and easily touch up. Smells amazing, really lightweight, liquidy, looks beautiful. I actually have some Wet n Wild concealer, so I think maybe I'll just use that. The Photo Focus concealer. So this is in the shade Light Ivory. Oh wow, that stuff dries really fast. But it's nice. Look at that. The coverage is there. Ooh, I'm gonna set my face with this powder. Oh my god. It's Wet n Wild Reserve Your Cabana bronzer. I'm gonna keep it in the Wet n Wild family. I have to set my foundation. I just have to, because my skin is normal to oily. If I don't set my foundation, especially this one's kind of dewy, I'll touch my face, bitch, and it will literally wipe off. Okay, so I've just finished my face. How long has this been? It's been like a couple hours. Probably should have paid attention to that. But here's my face. Here's the foundation. Yeah, it's definitely oxidized. Not too bad. It's looking nice. Like, it's looking dewy and like skin-like and pretty. I like it. So I'm gonna continue wearing this. I'm gonna go do some stuff and I'll check in with you guys throughout the day and we'll see how it wears. Hey guys, hey. So it's wearing off on my chin right there, and supposedly you can like bring this along with you, and yeah, you can't see, huh?
I can't see you.
Supposedly you can bring this along with you and touch up. So I wanted to see, how's that look, Jenny?
It just looks like you have bad foundation and you put a little more on.
A little more bad foundation. Yeah,
I wouldn't reapply like that.
It's not bad. It looks pretty dewy. We've been in and out of air conditioning all day. I've been trying on clothes, bitch. So I think that's why some of it wore off. The only thing is, I feel like I can see a lot of skin texture. It's like, yeah. It's a thin foundation, and I think it's like too much skin texture for me. Same with the concealer too. I'm seeing a lot of texture right now, and I don't like it. But maybe I'll do another check-in when I get home, and we can like look at it with the good camera. I don't feel dry. I don't feel sticky. My under eyes don't even look that bad. Like, I think this combination of like dewy, moist foundation mixed with that Reserve Your Cabana powder is a really good combination. But right now I'm going to a show. There's gonna be alcohol, there's gonna be metal, there's gonna be headbanging and whatnot, and I can't say that I'm gonna be able to do my next check-in. I'm hoping that I'll be able to, and I'm gonna try, but if not, I just want you guys to know that I love you and I'm thinking of you, and I'm probably just too drunk, okay? So maybe I'll see you later. Alright guys, so this is my last check-in of the night after 9.5 hours of wear. I'm at a show and there was no AC in this place, and yeah, I think the foundation looked pretty darn good for how hot it was all day, and I barely powdered. I'm really pleased with this foundation. It's very affordable. I'm definitely going to be wearing it again. I hope this video was helpful. Sorry about this last check-in here, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh yeah.